Yes, thank you very much. This is a cook stove that has two parts. One works without fire and the other side works with fire. It uses firewood, but very little firewood. You have to put 2 or 3 pieces on it. You light it and you put your food. So you can cook it up to the level which you can eat, or if you don't want to cook it here until it is properly cooked, then you can only bring it to a boil. When it starts boiling, the temperature is now high enough, but it is not yet well cooked. You transfer it to this side. This one is a fireless cooker. It is insulated inside, and then there's additional insulation that fits the size of the saucepan that you're going to use. This is an insulation material that does not allow heat from inside to come out, or any other heat from outside or cold from outside to go in. So you place it there and see. Then you bring your saucepan, which this one it started cooking, but the food is not ready. It has only boiled maybe for 3 minutes, and then you remove it, you put it there, and then there's a cover, an inner cover which is also an insulation. You bring it in, you press it firmly to cover the inside properly, so that there is no connection between the outside and then the inside. And then you have an insulated outer cover which you also place there. So your food remains in there intact with that same heat that you transferred it from here inside there. So the heat is retained, it stays for a longer time, long enough to have your food cooked. And as this one is here, you could still use this one to prepare another meal. So this one is cooking without fire, and this one is cooking with fire. So you can see, you can do 2 things at the same time with very little firewood. So at night, this is the portion where you can put your lamp or your candle to make you see what you are doing, what you are cooking. This cook stove is made of local material. This one is clay, and only the insulation material that is not clay. This insulation material could be one of the known insulators, insulation materials. Can use cotton wool, can use sponge, can use feathers, and many other insulating materials. Asbestos. So basically, this is how this cook stove works. It is so efficient and uses very little water, little firewood, making it so convenient for women and places where firewood is scarce. Particularly in the camps where people have to move very far away to collect firewood.